Hello and welcome to a special video on how to create a Digg account and how to use Digg. Now, Digg is a social bookmarking website which basically lets you um, dig any website, any video, or any news article. Okay. Now, the first thing what you need to do is create a new account. So what you need to do, you need to sign up for a new account. As you can see, I've already logged on. But once you've signed up, activate your email address and then log in. Okay. Now, once you're logged in, what you need to do, you need to go on the link that says Submit New. Okay. So simply click Submit New. Okay. Once you've done that, you need to enter the URL that you want to dig. So I'm going to be entering my blog. Okay. So that is my blog. And next I'm going to choose my media. It says choose media, news article, a video, or an image. I'm just going to go on to news article and then click continue. Next, what Digg does, it digs through the submission. It checks for any duplicate content. If it doesn't find any duplicate content, then you can simply continue. So you need to wait a few moments until you're presented with the next screen. So as you can see here, it says convince people that this is a great content. Write a concise and accurate headline. Don't assume that people will understand just from the title. So I'm just going to play make money online blog. Make money online blog. Okay, I'm just going to enter the URL there. Enter a bit of description about your blog. Once you've done that, you need to select a topic. Tell us where to place your submission. Be as accurate as possible so that other people will be able to easily find it. So I'm going to be simply entering this under under a suitable category. Okay, so what category can I enter my blog? Well, I'll be simply, for the purposes of this example, I'll just simply put it under the people category. Okay. Once you've done that, select your category. Once you've done that, you just simply need to enter the capture information here, and then you just simply need to click Submit Story. And what then Digg does, again, it checks for any duplicates. If it doesn't find any duplicates, you simply click. Okay, it actually recommends any duplicate articles, but we don't want to go into that. We just want to say that your work is totally original, and you just click the relevant link, and then you see successful. Your story has been submitted. In the next few minutes, your story will appear in the upcoming stories section. And there we are. This is our blog, and that's all there is to it. And that's how you dig your blogs, your news articles, your videos, and your website will then be indexed on the search engines. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video on Digg, and I hope you learned something new here.